1061 Will Rogers State Park Road is a rough diamond waiting to be discovered. Live the luxury lifestyle on the Pacific Palisades, one of the last undeveloped horse-owned properties with panoramic canyon and ocean views. Perched on a private hill and nestled in a quiet neighborhood surrounded by Will Rogers State Park, it is the only residential property with an address on Will Rogers State Park Road. In the early 1930s, Will Rogers was the most popular and highest paid actor in Hollywood. He was America's favorite son. And when he moved to California, he looked for a location to build his dream ranch. And what he found is now known as the Pacific Palisades. He had a 31-room house, stables, riding ring, golf course, polo field and hiking trails. It was his 186 acres of paradise overlooking the Pacific Ocean. In 1944, his widow Betty gave the ranch to California State Parks, and it became a piece of history which is still there today. The site provides endless possibilities. 2 lots side by side with a total of almost 60,000 square feet with a generous amount of flat. The property offers a unique environment among nature and wildlife. It brings you back to Will Rogers' history with its equestrian facilities and endless trails. A true gem of a property. Remodel the existing home or build 1 or 2 new homes. The property is sold with plans for 2 homes.